A normal day, everything seems alright. A 13-year-old with a gun in his hand, he left for school, waving goodbye, not knowing that now there is no way back. All that was given, he'll take it away. He doesn't even care, there are more to blame than shoots a poor girl that was running late. She falls and she bleeds with no time to flee. You don't understand, you don't understand. When you take a life, you are taking mine. You don't understand, you don't understand what we've been growing with patience and love has fallen apart.